vote mail is so easy. Way to go, Gary. Good. You know, I like to get a fish sandwich like I like. Well, wait a minute. What's he got here? Tomato jam burger. Hey, yeah. Hey, how you doing, Gary? I just voted. I didn't know you had a mailbox right here. Back up a little. Can I get a tomato jam burger? Yeah. That'd be great. All right. Medium? You want something to eat?
Oh, I'm good.
I'm good. Again, I think that'll be it.
Should have videotaped you.
When he comes and pays me, then I can realize there's one.
All right, probably about 10, 15 minutes.
Boy, I didn't know you had a mailbox right here. I can vote. Look at that. Yeah, that's great. HeyDay is that's perfect. Let me put that up. Look at that. Vote mail is easy.
Nice.
Way to go, HeyDay. Thanks a lot. I'll be back in a bit. Okay.